Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our emergency exit window. The emergency exit window is normally located in the rear of the unit, and it's always identified with the handles that are red in color. The handles operate exactly like all the other windows that have handles on them. We simply unlatch it, rotate. We have our red handles up here, just like on the other windows, exact same thing. It has 3 settings. We push it out all the way to the top setting. It holds in place, and we have a pull loop here. We pull that loop, and it literally rips out the screen, and then we can exit the unit through that window opening. This is a one-time rip-out screen, so if you were to use it, you would need to bring the unit back in to have another screen fitted into this opening. So the window really literally operates like all the other windows, except that it does come with a rip-out screen. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.